The crayons go back to school by Drew Daywalt and Oliver Jeffers. Summer's over and the crayons are going back to school. Blue and Beige wave goodbye to the beach.
See you next year.
Goodbye, beach!
Later, dudes!
The night before the first day of school can be very exciting.
What am I going to wear?
And it's nice to see old friends.
Oh my gosh! Did you get taller?
No, but you are looking marvelous.
And make new friends too.
Hi, I am Chunky Toddler Crayon.
Hi, Chunky. I am Husky Toddler Crayon. Oh, wow. Same last name. I wonder if we are related.
And getting back to work is fun. Papa Crayon loves math. 1 plus 1 is 2.
Goodness gracious me! Math is always so nice and neat.
Black Crayon loves writing.
I will start with an outline.
White Crayon loves reading. Yellow and Orange love science.
Hey, look! Jupiter is yellow and orange.
Finally! Something we can agree on.
And they are all excited for art class. Even if they make a mess. Actually, especially if they make a mess.
Did someone say math?
I hope you enjoy school every day. I love you, Monica.